Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is an RBS Packaging Systems automatic L sealing machine. Now, it has a HMI panel here. Of course, this control's all operating right now. We're powered up. You can see the temperature controls running. Now the unit right now is set to run on automatic function, so we're going to stop that for a second. I'm going to show you some of the manual features here. There's a film puller jog, which you can hit right here, and you'll see automatically that activates the discharge belt. And also at the same time, you look right down there, you'll see a small little pair of belts. That's pulling the waste film away, and which is gathered on this turning creel right here. Has a manual seal button. You need to make seals or test your temperatures against your film, etc. Now when you switch over to automatic, you'll notice the in-feed belt comes on, and now you're operating with the system of eyes, which has one right there, corresponding eye on the other side, and also you can see right down in there, there's a little red light on right in the middle that detects the packages as it crosses onto the sealing belt. For test purposes, we're just going to run a small box in here. You never want to do this with your hands. The belt will break both the beams. After a second delay, continues on out, and of course it would have been loosely sealed then, and into your shrink tunnel, of course. I'm going to show you that again one more time right here. There you go, all functions are working great. Of course, setup will be required. The factory has been very helpful, and they have great service and a fantastic product, great machine. We have lots of equipment in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.